Thanks for checking in with JB Solutions. I'm here today to give you a quick review of a recent installation. What I'm showing here are our two patented devices on the left. The upper is our HVAC IV, which is a drain treatment system that injects a biocide into the condensate drain or devices that would require condensate cleaning. In this application, that device below it is our Humidicycle. The Humidicycle is an apparatus that will recycle water from a flow-through style humidifier, which I'm showing here over on the right. So this humidifier would normally send the water that is going down this white PVC tube that would normally go into a condensate drain or into a pump and then straight into the sewer system. What we're doing here is we are running that water back into our tank. Our tank then pumps the water back up through this vinyl tube into what would normally be the water supply to a humidifier. So this cycle continuously reuses the water that would normally be wasted by the humidifier. The tank itself is refilled with fresh, clean water. As you can see, the water level here on our polyethylene tank. And the IV above it, you can see the yellow color. That tank is filled with a biocide. And in this application, in the cooling mode, the IV will send water down an injection tube to this point here, which is a stainless steel nozzle that will drip the biocide into the condensate pan on the air handler and then through the trap and into the pump, keeping that clean of biofilm and slime. And in the winter, we're using the IV to treat the humidicycle. We're using all of the water that would normally go down the drain. In some applications, that water will be up to 16 ounces of clean drinking water wasted every 64 seconds. Thanks again. Have a great day.